Okay. So, recently, last month, Refinage introduced the master scanner. Okay. Uh, it's in the RZONE fourth number. It's a fourth number menu, master scanner in RZONE. So, what we can do if anyone have a multi time frame and multi chart type scanner. Let's say if somebody wants that my script should be about 200 EMA in candlesticks, and it should be uh, it should be about D Smart 6 in 1%. Okay, that was possible in multi-chart, previously in multi-chart. Let me show you and how it is different from that. Yes, here it is. So here we can do any analysis, anything, daily 15 minutes, and uh, see here I can popular what sub okay about 200 DMA, and if I want this about the smart 6 1%. So here I can perform that task in multi-chart scanner. But what if I need two candlestick scanners and two point and figure scanners so it will be combination of four scanners, and at the end I need the results. So it was not possible. So what we have to do previously, we have to run uh, max to max maximum two scanners. Okay, max two scanners. So now what they have done, uh, they have introduced the master. And what if I need the volume scanners also, or any matrix scanners? So it was not possible, it is not possible in multi-chart scanner. Okay, so in master scanner, what we can do, we can pull out, these are the scanners available over here. If okay, let me show first here. We have to save it to pull scanner in the master scanner. First, we have to save as a strategy in that scanner. Let me show you. Supposingly, I need candlestick scanner. Okay, any group. Okay, and I need 200 DMA in 5 minutes. Assumingly, I need it in 5 minutes. Okay, and I need D Smart 6 in daily 0.25 point and figure in daily. So I can combine it multi scanner, but we will go step by step. So what I will do, uh, I will select the scanner, sorry, save the scanner, give the name FO stocks about 200 EMA 5 minutes for my reference. Okay. So each and every time, so select strategy, it will come into the select strategy. So what happens if I see one benefit is that if I am each and every time I have to select the group, then the conditions, then the time frame, or if in point and figure, then this thing box size I have to change each and everything. With save strategy, we just have to select it and it will all come automatically. Let me show you. Right now, all group time frame, condition, all these things are blank. Okay. Whenever I select this FO, which I saved, all will come automatically. My group came, which I saved in the strategy, time frame came the same, and the popular which I conditions which I selected, it will come automatically. Okay. So we can scan it. One thing was this thing previously prior to the master scan. I have to scan, then I have to save it in the group. Okay. Supposingly any name. Then what I want after that, this group I want in the after in combination of uh, s- complete scanner. I need candlesticks also and point and figure. So in multi-chart one can do or through saving the group and again scanning that group into the other chart scanners. So let me show you point and figure. My group will come over here. Now I need that group. It should be above. Okay. Here, what we have to do again, I will select it. Save scanner. Daily and 25% above ES6. Okay. So, uh, whichever the scripts are there, it will come. Okay. There were 12 scripts in there. Now it has filtered out into two. So four are left out. Now I would these two steps in a single click. Okay. How can we do it? Go into master scanner. You can select any group. So what will happen in selects in strategy? I have selected FO group. Then in point and figure, I have selected temp 25 group. Okay. In master scanner, what it will do? Let me select. Okay. In master scanner, what it will do? Even it will left the group. Whatever group we will select here, it will take that group and first we created candlestick scanner and the name will appear here. So what it will do, it will scan uh, this group. Okay, it should be above 200 DMA in 5 minutes. Okay, then I needed the point and figure scanner, which I selected daily. Okay, daily 0.25 above D Smart 6. So it will combine all those parameters, all those box size, reversal, candlesticks, time frame, uh, all those it will uh, combine and will give the result over here. It will just exclude only the group name which we saved in the particular scanner. It won't take the scanner, but all those conditions which we saved in the strategy, it same to same, it will recall here, and as per that conditions, multiple conditions, it will scan and give you the results here. So this one is a uh, work of a master scanner. We can select any five number of scanners here, and we can just last week they have also created the saves master scanner here. Let me complete it first. So these all groups, all the scripts name, okay, my FO stocks have 206 scripts, and these all scripts, 79 scripts have been qualified daily 0.25. They are above DSmart 6, and in candlesticks chart, it is in 5 minute chart, they are about 200 day DMA. These all scripts are qualified into that. Here it will only open candlesticks chart here when we click on the name, and this LCP change volume and change volume will come. These are all the daily parameters. Okay. Supposedly, I want the volume scanner to be included over here. So volume scanner, I want the unusual volume. Unusual volume should be in candlesticks chart. I want that 10, 10 day average, and volume should be above, yeah, 100. Okay. I will just give the any name over here and save it. Save scanner. Unusual volume, 10, average 100%. Now I can recall over there also. Candlesticks. Okay. Pointer figure. Unusual volume scanner and our unusual one. So now it will check all these three conditions, and then after that, whatever the scripts are qualified under these three conditions, it will appear. Previously, we got the 79 scripts. Now let's check how many are there. Any questions in between?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, whenever we use the in candlestick scanner, we take the running and press.
Running and
So, press two
candlesticks.
template in candlestick scanner, there is running and press. Whenever we save the strategy,
Hmm.
so we use press or running.
See, running and fresh, I don't think so. It is available here. It might be
No, in
available
point,
state point. See,
no,
running,
point and figures.
okay, point and fill. Yeah, running and fresh.
No,
Fresh, okay. What is the difference between running and fresh?
no,
Uh,
um,
Fresh means it has to be appear in last whatever the time frame you have selected. It has to be appear. The condition has to be appear in that last candlesticks. Last, if you point and figure, it should be in last column. Last, not last column. It has to be appear today as a today's date, last trading day. That means fresh. See, if I select the daily and
Which
select the
will
fresh,
satisfy the condition.
it should satisfy the condition in the last candlesticks as per the last candlesticks data, not prior to that. Prior to that,
so
those conditions haven't been met. It it has all those conditions whichever you have selected. It has to be met in last candlesticks. In running,
When sir, I select fresh here and save the scanner. Okay. That scanner is in master scanner is also take a fresh scent.
mm, that I have to check. I will reply to that. I haven't checked because I mostly what I do, I keep the signals in running. So that I have to check. You can backtest those. Okay. Just what
Mhm.
you do, you select, you save your strategy, one with a running, one with a fresh, and select,
Hmm.
check the names. If the names appear same, then it might not be taking running or fresh. If this names are different, then it is taking fresh and running.
Okay.
Okay. So here, if I have selected the three scripts, three conditions, it haven't given the name any names because unusual volume is not there. Okay, just a second. Yes, so we can check it. Okay, let me pull that one. So now I have selected this with a running. Let me check in this thing. Previously we got 79 names. Now let's check what happens here. I will save to the new one. Daily, I will just give the daily 0.25% fresh. Okay, now we will check it over. Previously, we got the 79 scripts here. Now let's check what happens there. Now, if I select the fresh, any questions during that? Okay, I think so. The fresh and running it is taking because the name are not appearing as per if. I think it is taking the running and fresh. Uh, who was whose query was there? Hello. So in saving strategies, if you are selecting running and fresh, it will take running and fresh as per the you have saved the strategy. So master scanner will do means what I do. I for this thing uh, for VCP pattern, what I am trading, I have three layers, three different, sorry, two different time frames. I trade in two different time frames, and I have three scanners for it. Okay, so this was useful for me. Previously, what I was doing with first scanner, I was doing the this thing scanning, taking the results, saving into the group number one. Then I was scanning group number one, second scanner, saving it to group number two. Then I was scanning third scanner with the group number two, and the results were coming. Then I was taking the trades. So now it's in one part only. I have to just save the three different point and figure scanners and just select the this thing name from here. It all appear here, and I just have to press the scan. So all three scanners, all three different time frames, all with all three box size and the reversal size, different at each and every time I have to select all those these conditions each and every time every day. So the all this burden has the repetitive task has been cut down. Just I have to come to in master scanner, select my strategy and just have to press scan. Any doubts in master scanner or any scanner if you want, you can ask in our zone. Okay, so no one is there. Smart scanner is not in master scanner. Okay, there is this is missing one. Yes, correct, Shashank. We also have whiskey. Does it cover the three requirements? Please explain the unusual volume activity. Unusual volume activity. Okay, unusual volume activity. Let me show you. Volume, unusual volume scanner. Any group we can take it. See, unusual volume scanner, what it will do? It will take the 20-day average of the volume in your given time frame, and the volume should be above 100% of those average. You can check over here. AF cons in last daily candlesticks, it has volume of 15,75,909. Its 20-day average volume is 6,79,000. So it is crossing its 20-day average volume by 132%. So it will appear over here in unusual volume scanner.
One question here.
Yes,
So if instead of this daily time frame, if we run it on 5 minute time frame,
let's
so
check
it
it out.
will give us the 5 minute volume spurt,
Yes,
right?
it will take 20 candlesticks volume in 5 minutes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah, you can
Thank
see,
you.
last 5 minute candle stick, it has to 2,948 volume. Its 20-day average is 1,082. It's 172% higher.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
other question. Is there any way to find I can find volume compared to the same time average of last? No, the Amit, no, I don't have, no, RZONE doesn't have like that. I want to compare the, you are telling from the 9:15 to 10:30, whatever the volume is there, it should compare with his 20-day 9:15 to 10:30 with today's 9:50 to 10:30. No, define as haven't created that scanner or kind of facility over here. In fact, we don't have it here. We also have VCP scanner. Does it cover all the three requirements? No. See, my approach to VCP is different compared to the scanner. The VCP scanner has been given in the RZONE. It is different. Uh, Mr. Varun, any more questions? So, can we create in master scanner? Mm, Vaibhav Gupta. What we can create in master scanner? Okay, Varun. Yes, can Varun go. Yes, Varun, you can create in the master scanner. Let's check. We already have a VCP scanner in here. Our VCP template is there. So these are the conditions which VCP template is checking. Stock price above uh, 150-day and price line, both the price line should and 150 moving is about 200-day. 200 line has been trending upwards at least for 1 month, preferably 4 to 5 months. So this template will take care of this 8 conditions. You can go through it. Okay. The current price should be at least 25% above. Current price is within 25% within the high. Current price is trading above 50-day moving average. RS code reported in investor values daily is no less than 70. So these conditions are taken care of here in VCP template. VCP template, okay, just one by one. Sir, group selection in master is nothing to do with results. See, when we are saving the strategies in particular scanner, okay, and when we are selecting the strategies in master group, so when those scanners group will be left out, it will take, I will show you in master scanner, it will take this particular group, not the, not that which we saved in particular scanner. In particular scanner, I saved in candlesticks this one FO stocks this one. But if I want to change I want to run these conditions into different on different group, then I can select it. So it will scan this only groups. Okay, 500 stocks. You can check it out. It's processing in 500. Irrelevant. I saved these both strategies on the 206 stock group. So it will leave that group, but it will take only and only time frame running or this thing fresh, box size, reversal. If you have reversal in some scanners 3 and in some scanners you have reversal of 4, it will take 3 for that scanner and 4 for the other scanners reversal. If you change, if you it will take the time frame as per whatever strategies you have saved. Mr. Ganesh, my question is not related to mass, but I want to when this can quickly shows how to convert into real money. Right. Question. My, but I want to know when we get stocks from Apple Group, they get they get equity stocks. So how to convert it to just Ganesh, I didn't get your question. Any conversion or download CSV file. Bhavin, VCP template is the same as Volatico under point and figure smart scanner. Point and figure smart scanner. This one is different. Actually, what this one is will do, it will capture, see, under point and figure smart scanner, this will capture the narrow band of candlesticks appearing. Uh, uh, let me show this example. So this will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this 9 candles are trading in narrow margin range. So here the volatility is not there. So what this scanner is expecting when the what we say some price, if some price is trading narrowly, afterwards some contraction will happen, means some volatility will come either on upside or either on downside. So this will just take care of those, like if it is a trading in narrow range or not, volatility contraction pattern scanner, sorry. uh, this one is different, and smart scanner VCP template is different. Whenever you click on the I button, it can give you the explanation of that scanner. You can check it out. Shashank, please share your version of VCP. See, I have recorded one session with Abhijit sir in March 23 for short-term trading on YouTube. Okay, you can check it out in Definite channel. And for multi-baggers, uh, my recorded session is there, DECMA 2024. It is recorded session is there. That I have shared the how I trade the delivery through VCP patterns. You can check it out. You can check that one. For delivery, it's different purpose and different psychology. For future options, uh, it's different approach and different psychology over there. Any option trade setup. Okay, it might take much more time. Any next day. Thanks, but do not have to. Okay, Shashank. Then right now, Definage is selling at cost of 20,000, I think so. DECMA 2024 session. They are charging for that.
I have a question. Recently, I went through your video of that uh, Renko chart that you shared the other day
Trend
for
decider.
the trend decider. So in
Yes.
that you have shown the example of 5 minutes and 1 minute on different box size as well. So that scanning we can do through this master scanner, right? Because the box sizes are different on
See,
different time
trend
frames.
decider is not a scanner. It is just you have to keep it on the what I say on the screen. And what I do actually,
Sorry,
I
what I meant is within that video you have shared that for the stocks wala section. Uh,
yes, stock option. I remember. That you
yeah.
can do it over in master scanner, or
Okay.
in that you can simply do it in this one also. Multi time frame point and figure because I remember it is a multi time point and figure scanners only. Both the
Okay.
scanners are multi sorry, point and figure, so that you can perform over here. Okay.
Okay.
You just I remember they it have only two time frames, so you can select it from here and box size. But if you have a different reversal, then you can't perform. If two time frames are have different reversal, then you have to use master scanner. It will solve your purpose. But
Yes,
if
in
your
your video
reverse,
you have mentioned that different
ah,
reversal.
yes. So that's why I was using two scanners, but now I can use those two scanners in master scanner.
Understood. Understood.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes. Okay. Anyone else?
Hi, Prakash sir.
Yes.
One thing, right? I think what Ganesh is asking, he wants to convert the text of the stocks to future. So I think he can use the concatenate function on Excel, right? I mean, adding dash one, two, or three, and then uploading it again, and then I think he can run it for futures group.
But future group is already there now. What
I mean,
he
I don't know. I think it was his question, so I thought of answering that. And
Actually future group is already there in the define is already let me show you. So group name, I think it is there. F D E F. It is there. FO group is already there. They are maintaining it.
oh, okay.
What I do,
And
I don't trade the 5 digit FO stocks, so I have omitted those stocks and created my stock, my group. That's good.
mhm. And sir, my question is like, do you still use performance-based ranking table for your stock selection?
If my okay, yes, good question. If my scanner
Mm-hmm.
gives me more number of stocks
Mm-hmm.
that I can handle or I can trade, then only I use
Uh-huh.
the ultimate dynamic matrix. Let
Okay.
me show.
Yes.
Dynamic ultimate. This one I was before this I was not using any metrics, but after introducing this I am using this. But only when see in very bullish scenario. See, first I make my own group of stocks for my delivery purpose. I don't trade the heavyweights. I don't take the delivery in FO stocks. Okay. So I create my own group through radar. Then I scan the this thing VCB pattern, which are going to be potential front runners. If the market is too bullish, so this group right now it can give me 50 60 stocks, but when the market is too bullish, it was giving me the 180 stocks, 120 stocks in my first group. After filtering those, it was giving me 80 90 stocks. So 80 90 stocks I can't see my I only trade max to max 15 stocks at one time in delivery. Okay, not more than that I trade. So what I was doing, filtering. After second stage, I want to more filter out. So what I was doing, first, second, after scanning the scanning the second stage, I was getting the third group. So third group I was giving over here. Then through metrics, the top 40 stocks I was creating new group, and afterwards the when the my ultimate buy signal would have been came, then in that I was taking the positions. So if my number of group becomes more uh, larger or huge, to narrow down, I use the dynamic ultimate matrix, because what it does, see, in World Cup, Cricket World Cup, each and every team fight plays with each and every team. So India played 10 uh, one ODI in last one day. Okay. So ultimately what happened? Whichever the four have highest points in the rank point table, they go to the semifinals and the finals. Same thing will happen over here. This will create ratio chart of each and every stocks. Okay. And if uh, let me show over here. So this will take any conditions you want. I won't share my, I am just giving the condition example. Okay. What I am taking, I can't share over here. So what this will do, this will uh, create a ratio chart of 361 with ABB, with AB capital. Okay. Now let me pull it over here. So what it is doing, okay. So 361, sorry, just a second. So what this dynamic ultimate matrix will do, it will create 361 divided by ABB, and it will check whether it is bullish or bearish through my conditions. So here it is 361 divided by ABB. Let me check the chart of that. 361, 36. Okay, 36, 361 and ABB. Okay. So it's bullish. So it will give me 1 over here with AB count, AB capital. Let's compare with AB capital divided by uh, okay, we'll take this one, 361 divided by AB capital. So it's bearish. Okay. So ultimately what I was doing, sorting out with descending, and I was narrowing. If my last scanner has 80 90 stocks, okay, then I was narrowing. I want to narrow it down to 40, 45. Then I will run this matrix and top 40, 45 candidates. I will save it into another group and afterwards I will scan my last scanner for taking actions. Trade. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But this will take more time if you have this thing 30, 40 minutes because it will what it will do means 206 currently I have it will take much more time. You just have to be careful for that. So run evening or that time only. Create that group. Yes. Anything next? Uh, my question. Okay. The option in radar. In radar, can we create a group and exclude FNO? Yes, we can create. Okay, then to create a group excluding FNO. First, you create a group through radar. Okay. Uh, sorry. What you can do, you create a name of this. Let me show you. Radar. Okay. Supposedly, I need a group with 10,000. Right. So this will give me 553 stocks in radar. What we can do, export it. So here you got the names. What you can do, you have to remove this EQ and just remove all these things. Delete, column A, delete. First one we don't need. We also don't need the EQ. So find and replace EQ with blank. Okay, so all those EQ will be deleted. Then you just export the FO stocks from the this thing performance table or in watchlist EOD. Okay, what happens afterward that supposingly this supposingly these are your FO group. Okay, then run the data, remove duplicates. Okay, then from this onwards you save it in different CSV and import in from through the stock group manager. So this way you can create a group which excludes the FNO scripts through radar. Amit, did you got it? Okay, thanks.
Sir, one question while you are at the radar. So I was trying to make a custom group, say above 500 crore market cap. Okay, because there are many stocks which are, for example, recently listed the last 3 4 years, so which will not be in the groups which are already given by NSE. There are stocks which are, say, for example, in the defined edge groups. But if I want to have a consolidated group sort of, So I was trying to do that, but what happens is in radar the SME stocks also come through that. So is there a way to filter out SME stocks
SME have uh, minus SM and minus SZ. Those you can filter it out.
through radar?
Not through radar, you have to do it in Excel.
Oh, the extension you mean to say the dot?
Suppose, yes, it will have like this SM.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah.
so what we can do? Filter, go into the filter, text filter, and customize or something does not end with.
That I understood how to. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Fine.
this you have to this way you can do
Okay.
it.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
So SME and SME won't be here. The same
Okay.
problem happened when I create my group. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Anyone else? Any other question? Or shall we conclude? Okay. Thank you.